If you're trying to get notified for a job alert right inside of Wellfound, in today's video, let me exactly show you on how it is done. All you need to do is head over to the job section and then simply make a search. Add in your job title as well as your location. You also do have the option of making in different searches by clicking on this plus icon. So repeat the same process on these new searches as well, as add in your job title and add in your location. And once you made a certain search, you'll have the option right here which says get job alerts for this search. So for the exact search that you made, the title as well as the location, you're going to get notified if you toggle this option on. To make sure that the entire notification of the job alert is toggled on as well inside of your profile, you can head over to the profile section and then head over to notifications. Inside of this section, make sure that the main option, which is job alerts and reminders, are toggled on. Unless this main option is toggled on, you won't be getting any job alerts or notifications inside of your email as well as on the notifications tab. If this short guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.